So if you've watched my rasgueado video and you've been working on your triplets and you need a workout, here's one that you could do also in tangos, which we've been doing. We've been looking at this chord progression in tangos, which is D minor 7, C7, B flat 7, A, and then we just play different voicings, D minor, C, B flat, A. So if these are coming along and they feel good, you could do this pattern. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you notice I use slightly different voicings for these chords, but basically the pattern is 1 and 2 and 3. Right, so the triplets are actually being used as parts of sextuplets. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And the reason I changed some of these voicings is just because I'm hitting all 6 strings. It's kind of nice, for example, to have the G on the bottom of there. And I keep the G often on the bottom of my A chord because it just sounds nice there. I like that better than the E. Even though the E is a chord tone, it just doesn't sound right on the bottom to me. Or somehow that does. I guess it's a flamenco thing. So once that starts to feel a little more comfortable and you want to speed it up, you'd get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We also use these in tangos for a thing called a llamada. I won't get into that, but if you're doing some flamenco and you know what this is all about, just quickly you could do this for your llamada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and go into compás there. Right? So that'd be 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, and now just regular compás. And I should say that if you're really playing tangos, this isn't necessarily something you would use that often unless you're really going fast. But it's a great little workout, and it'll definitely help get your triplets going whether or not you are trying to learn flamenco.